Yo guys, we're back. Slightly different one today. We got Mazda 2 and the rear bumper has been smashed to bits, completely ruined, and if you can see there, the boot lid is actually bent in as well, so we're going to straighten that out, paint the boot lid, and we're going to show you how to remove the rear bumper, ready to paint the new one and put on. So let's get into it. Right, so guys, these are the tools you're going to need. Trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, and then a couple of 8mm, which I'm going to be using on this just for speed. So firstly, what I'm going to go ahead and do is, under the bottom here, a couple of 8mm, and you come towards the centre, there's 2 plastic trim clips, and then in the arches is plastic trim clip and another trim clip in there. There's also behind this, once the arch moves, the inner arch, there's a 8mm on the inside there as well, which we'll also check under this bit once that bit's moved. And then once we've released the bottom, we will go ahead and take out these Phillips screws along the top, and it should pop off. Just remember, you've got the sensors and the rear fog lights and stuff in the bottom before you pull the bumper right off. Let's get into it. Taking them out that side. This one's broke, but I've got spares of them, and we'll check over that once the bumper's off. In the back here, got one here, which you want to try and leave out like that. See that? Done. And there's one more in the back. I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, see? And then behind that is the 8mm. Time. Makes it so fucking easy. The battery ratchet. show you. These ones in there. release, show you that one there, what holds the bumper on, which we'll do now as well. And then lovely jubbly. We've got the 4 Phillips. You'll see if that's all we've got left. This bumper, it doesn't matter about this bumper, so I'll leave it like that just to show you. This one is dead, so what we've got here is a couple of plugs, which I'm going to squeeze the end of that one, pop that one out, and that one. Sorry about that, guys, the phone did actually die there, but as you can see, rear bumper is off the car. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Rushing through me, down upstream, are you with me? Under